wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best sliding door medicine cabinets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Available in 3 sizes, the Medicine Cabinets Round comes with a brown wood grain finish, and unlike many others, it still looks stylish when it's open thanks to a solid wood interior. It's easy to hang and comes with a high quality mirror. However, it is pricey for the amount of storage. At number 9, the LED strips on the sides of the Krug Rolls 48 provide ultra bright lighting that comes in handy for shaving or putting on makeup. The generous storage space means it's well suited for large families or anyone with lots of toiletries. It includes a built-in defogger and the doors glide smoothly, but it is considerably expensive. Coming in at number 8 on our list. At 24 by 9 inches, the low-profile Jensen Cosmetic Box will complement any large mirror that's placed above it. It features an attractive polished stainless steel frame and is designed to provide you with a distortion-free reflection. It's equipped with clear acrylic handles and pre-drilled mounting holes. However, the material feels a bit thin. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sliding door medicine cabinets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Homcom 28-inch is a good choice for both righties and lefties, as the front panel slides to either side with just a gentle push. Adding to this ease of operation is a power button for the LED ring that requires a mere tap of the finger. It's energy efficient with one adjustable shelf, but some find the light ring obtrusive. Moving up our list to number 6. The Cayton Laurel Kate's barn door is an interesting choice that would complement farmhouse decor nicely. Constructed from solid wood that's been distressed by hand, it includes black metal hardware and a 2-foot tall mirror. The shelves are nearly 4 inches deep and it arrives fully assembled. It's available in 3 finishes. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Jensen B703-850X is designed to be mounted in a recess in the wall, giving it a low profile yet plenty of room to hold bottles, brushes and more. It features a welded steel body with an interior coated with heat-cured white acrylic paint. It provides a distortion-free reflection and the shelving is adjustable. It's resistant to rust. At number 4, you shouldn't have to ever worry about buying new bulbs for the Krug Rolls 24, since the LEDs included should provide around 50,000 hours of illumination. The built-in defogger is a nice touch for those who like to shave after a hot shower. It's a high-quality construction that's simple and elegant, with a handy USB outlet. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the sleek signature hardware Wulan Teak would complement many types of decor, and the soft closing design enables it to stand up to frequent use. Equipped with 2 shelves, it provides ample space for storing all your bathroom essentials. It comes with unobtrusive recessed handles in a neutral whitewashed finish, backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sliding door medicine cabinets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you just want something straightforward and practical, the Jensen Lighted would be tough to beat. Crafted from welded steel and finished with heat-cured white paint, it withstands rust and features 4 sockets for incandescent bulbs. It's equipped with 1 fixed shelf and an adequately large mirror. It suits many types of decor. And taking the top spot on our list, even if you have a busy grooming routine that involves various heavy jars and tubes, the Homcom 30-inch has got you covered, as it can hold up to 33 pounds. It incorporates a square border of LEDs to highlight your face. It features energy-efficient illumination and a built-in electrical outlet, and promises a simple installation. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sliding door medicine cabinets, or simply click beneath this video.